Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on this Coraline cat plushie. The Laika website just recently restocked them, so I went ahead and got myself one. You guys seem to like the octopus plushie unboxing, so I figured I would make this one as well. On the side of the box, there's a saying. It says, "We cats have far superior senses than humans." And that's something he says in the movie. On this side of the box, it features the cat in a different illustration. He looks so cute. Now let's go ahead and take some scissors and open this on the top and see what is inside. He's so cute. Look at those blue eyes. Originally, he came with the tissue paper around him, but I had previously opened this to inspect it and folded it nicely back in the box. Upon pulling him out, you can see that his fur is much different than the octopus. It's almost like kind of thick and ratty. That's the only way I can think of describing it, which would make sense given his character. He's a very sturdy plushie. He's standing by himself. His teeth are embroidered on, and he also has a cute little nose above that. His nose is a hard plastic material. And then he has these whiskers above them, and they're also kind of like a plastic material, but very flexible. As you can see, his arms and tail are bendable. He also has a bendable neck, that way you can turn him like in the movie. I also like the detail that they put into his ears. It looks just like the movie. This was another short unboxing video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like all the Laika website plushies that I've gotten so far. They're nice quality, and they bring my favorite movie to life, which is always nice. just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you being here. And until next time, I will talk to you all later. All right, bye.